So hello from our to all our friends from in 2025, diba? Diba? This is a throwback drive, and welcome to the night drive in Cebu in August 2024. So mag throwback drive ta for you guys in 2025. How you guys doing? And you know what, we just witnessed Philippines just witnessed its first gold medal in Paris, or first male gold medalist in the Olympics. Carlos Yulo won the floor exercises. Hopefully he'll win the vault as well, diba? So dapat tayong mga top contenders or boxers, or we have two boxers paghihapon. So it's the Olympic time, but hello. So welcome to this night drive. Ipakita na to ang Dagway sa Cebu at night, diba? So at night ko anam ning Cebu, kalma lang, cool kayo, diba? This is a Sunday drive, so medyo hugaw na nito sa amin, but at least you will see unsay mga what are the features of Cebu at night, diba? Ng galeriya. So I don't know, next year, 1 year has passed, I guess you should know the difference, diba? Sa mga kabaguhan, no? Guwapa paghapon ng Cebu, hayag ba? Sige paghapon baha ang Cebu. So paano nato ikuan na ba? Istoryahan, no? Somehow, diba? Kumusta naman diha? Diba? How's Cebu? How's the politics? Kinsay mayor? Kinsa ni mga bagong opisyalis, diba? I'm pretty sure, diba? You have something to say already with the new officials, sa mga bagong konsyal, bagong mayor, bagong naman, bagong gobernador, unsa uguban pa. And I think a lot has happened, diba? What are the most significant things that happened? I hope maka-reply ka ni Carlo, diba? In 2025, maka-reply kag what happened to Cebu after 1 year, diba? Kung August na, kumusta na dihang Agosto? What do we look forward to in August 2025? Unsa man, maayo bang Pasko, diba? Sa pabaykuan, kumusta na? Kumusta na ang mga katauhan, diba? Na may mga bago, na may nangaminyo, na may, diba? Unsa may sinsama sa Pilipinas ang, diba? Unsa mga bagong showbiz issues. And also new showbiz issue na diri karon is parang anak niyo mulak daw pagsamantalahan, no? Sa mga independent contractor, mga taga showbiz na people. I don't know what happens to it, will happen to it, diba? Kumusta naman ang mga basketball players nato, diba? Kumusta naman, no? Kinsa may sa national team, kinsa sa Gilas, who's doing well in Japan, or who's doing well, ano tayo PBA player, or Filipino na makato ng NBA, we don't know, diba? Kumusta na Sky Soto, diba? Mga things na kinahanglan ako kumustahon, diba? Kumusta na diha, kinsa naman, kumusta na Steph, kumusta na ka Carl, kumusta na si mommy, si daddy, si mama, si papa. Pero I don't know, hopefully maayo rin ito itong himtang, diba? Hopefully nakakibaha ang gentle breeze, diba? So there are many things na marapag, I don't know, 1 year from now, hopefully masolusyon na masulbad na mga problema. Kumusta na ang SRP? Later makita na to, nag-rehab bro ng SRP, diba? Unsa may mga kabaguhan sa Cebu na may PRT, diba? Unsa naman unsa na yung kahintang, diba? So are there any malls, any new developments in Cebu? And kumusta ang politics, diba? Who's allied with who? Yun pa, interesting things, diba? Pero this is just a throwback drive because I really miss doing one. Basta like at this time na naman, di na kayo tig drive, diba? Na tig video. So at least na yung mga mangsulpot once in a while na mga videos na mga throwback, diba? Para lang sa lingaw-lingaw na to. And I guess this is just in a way fresh because 1 year ni na time capsule, diba? And this is how SRP or the tunnel looks like. Oh, diba? Hayag kayo. Hopefully di kakalimutan na ingat ang gihapon kahayag ang panahon na sa 2025 yan gihapon kahayag na ayaw na maayo din ang dagan sa traffic diri wa kay mga aksidente. Manay ko lang ana. We have to rebind. Oh, diba? So, mga ginatong mga mingawan na mga panghitabo. So, house si Tito. So, house the gusto na New Star, SMC side. May bakit saan may mga na artista ron. Mga patok na artista. So ako chill na gud kayo kay ko na. Pakapoy. So dyan color sa C-Select sa inyong panahon. Oh. Diba? Mauni ko na to ron dagan upside lang hinihinay lang tayo tawag overtikay. So wala 2024 mao na yung mga kuana na nakaroon pa doong na mag-election, so I'm sure na yung mga kalingawan unsay kuan. Hopefully it's wala na dili na kuan mo na heated din na elections. I guess kuan eh kinsa may nidaog Team Duterte, Team Marcos ba, di ba? Nalingaw ning kuan ani na panahon ba because na gini kuan implications for 2028, but I'm hoping na palayon lang ta sa pag-improve ba. Mana di ba kuan so mana kuan yo ko na who would be the leaders na ba, di ba? Let's see. I hope I can hear a reply ani na drive niya pohon, di ba? The questions that I've asked na pareho ko ani ko ana to ni na kanina panahon ba ba sabi ng Pilipito man we can always look back, diba? This is how Cebu looks like the past year. Na to dagway hulagway ni sa past. Hopefully you'll support more drives like this, but also it's nice to look back at Cebu a year ago, diba? And mo na SMC side o na New Star nakita na mo, but yeah, I'm hoping and praying na mo nang maayusan ninyong kahimtang, diba? Hello to my new Calaminians, new followers, and also old followers, I would say. Diba? We want to go on. We just won an Olympic gold medal. I hope, diba? Daghanim, I hope Paris Games is one of the most successful. I mean, better even than the Tokyo Olympics. Diba? Tokyo Olympics, we had 1 gold, 2 silvers, and 1 bronze. So hopefully we'll have, I don't know, 3 golds perhaps. What kayo ba? 3 golds, 1 silver, 1 bronze. We don't know, but yeah, wala tong hope. Pero hopefully sad na mas ma-develop sa lahat ng mga sports ba, mga natay support, mga athletes will be given more international exposure, diba? And of course hopefully ang Cebu also will contribute also to the renaissance of sports, that we will have host national tourneys, also local tourneys, grassroots programs sa mga cities. So di ba, inabangay lang ta unsa na ni mga kuan ba But hopefully sa yung reply lagi kuan, I'll be able to learn more. Wala na yung mental note mo na akong mga concerns a year ago. So, I wanna find out. So please answer me. Di ba man new star by? So di na magdugay. I really had let's have a good night. It's a good drive, guys. And I hope Carlo in your time is also naghapon serving you, giving you information, diba? And hopefully, maayo ang content as well. So thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you sa sunod ng Dark Drive, lag-lag. And mga throwback na lag. Salamat kayo, and this is Cebu. Once again, this is Cebu in August 4, 2024. So 8/4/2024. Yeah, this is how it looks like. Awesome ba? Oh yeah, mga weather day mo na 101. It's rainy season, and hopefully next year in 2025, yeah, mas na-improve ang Cebu. Mas maayo ang kahimtang ninyo diha kaysa nato karon. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.